Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 8 subject English. Students, today our topic is lesson 6 in Iqra English Grammar book 5. So open your books on page 38. Our topic is adjective clause. Students, about clause. In previous lesson we have studied about clauses. ठीक है कि clauses क्या होते हैं. ठीक है. In this lesson we will study about one kind of clause which is adjective clause. An adjective clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and functions as an adjective and makes a complete sense only when it is with the other sentences. Students, adjective clause जो है वो लफ्ज़ों का ऐसा ग्रुप होता है जिसका अपना सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट तो होता है. ठीक है, लेकिन ये फंक्शन एज ए एडजेक्टिव देता है. ठीक है, यानी कि ये जो क्लॉज है ये एज एन एडजेक्टिव सेंटेंस में काम करता है और कंप्लीट मायने तभी देता है जब इसके साथ सेंटेंस में जो है एक मेन क्लॉज हो. अबाउट मेन क्लॉज यू हैव स्टडीड कि मेन क्लॉज हमारे पास जो होता है वो एक मुकम्मल सेंटेंस की तरह होता है. ठीक है, जिसका अपना सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट होता है. जबकि डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जो है उसका सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट तो होता है लेकिन वो मीनिंग नहीं देता, एज ए सेंटेंस एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकता. तो ये एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज जो है ये भी हमारे पास एज अ काइंड ऑफ डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है, ना कि मेन वर्ब है. एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज तभी मायने देता है सेंटेंस में जब इसके साथ हम इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज लगाते हैं या मेन क्लॉज लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव अ रिस्ट वॉच. तो हमारे पास ये जो है ये मेन क्लॉज है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. तो ये हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है. अब स्टूडेंट्स, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज के शुरू में हम हमेशा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु, विच, एटसेट्रा. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, इसका अपना सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट होता है. ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास दो और एग्जाम्पल्स भी हैं. इज दिस योर सिस्टर हु इज़ वेरी नॉटी. इज दिस योर सिस्टर हमारे पास मेन क्लॉज है और हु इज़ वेरी नॉटी हमारे पास क्या है, ये एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है. द पेन विच आई गॉट ऑन ईद. विच आई गॉट ऑन ईद क्या है, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है. हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट. ईच ऑफ दीज सेंटेंसेज दैट इज एक्सपेंसिव डिस्क्राइब्स wrist watch. Who is very naughty describes sister. Which I got on eat describes pen and does the work of an adjective. And student, adjective जो है वो noun और pronoun के बारे में जो है वो मज़ीद information देता है, उसे modify करता है sentence में. As all these contain a subject and a predicate of their own, they are called adjective clause. Exercise A. Underline the adjective clauses in the following sentences and tell what noun or pronoun each of them qualifies. Number 1. These are the storybooks which I bought yesterday. So students, storybooks are noun, then which I bought yesterday. This is adjective clause. I met a stranger who was as tall as a giant. Stranger noun, who was as tall as a giant, adjective clause. The money that my father gave me. So student, that my father gave me is adjective clause in this sentence, while money is noun which qualifies by adjective clause. The dog that barks does not bite. Dog is noun which is qualified by that barks does not bite, and this is adjective clause. My aunt, which is a poetess, has gone abroad to attend a program. Aunt is noun which is qualified by adjective clause. Who is a poetess has gone abroad to attend a program. He is the boy. Boy noun who lives in my neighborhood, adjective clause. This is the fruit. Fruit noun which is poisoned, adjective clause. The students who come on time will be awarded. This is adjective clause, while I circle student as a noun. The citizens will pay the bills which they got last month. Bills, noun which is qualified by which they got last month. Everybody likes the children who are well mannered. Children is noun which is qualified by who are well mannered, and this is adjective clause. Exercise B. Supply adjective clauses to complete the following sentences. First one, they have lost the keys that I gave them. I know the boy who got first position. अब students जो हम लिखेंगे वो adjective clauses लिखेंगे. ठीक है. The toy which is kept in the cupboard belongs to my sister. The girl who got first position in the class will be given a prize. I found a book which had lost in the school. The zoo is a place where we see a lot of wonderful creatures. A doctor is a person who treats the patient Pakistan was visited by a man who is the ambassador of China. The boy who had an accident was lucky enough to survive. The Nile is the river which is situated in Egypt. Write this work in your grammar book and learn it. Thank you.